Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 11 of our Advent Calendar series, and I have the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty Calendar. This is popping up again. I'll just push it on down there, and it opens like this, and we need day 11, and day 11 is right down here. So it has this nice pinch. I mean, it takes me a little while to figure things out. Supposed to push, well, it takes me a lot of time to get things out of things. Push in both sides, and then, well, all right, I didn't do a good job, but, all right, hang on, here we are. Okay, this is, all right, smudge. Oh my goodness, always has this bottom in there. The Verb Ghost Oil. I have had this before. Now, y'all, this isn't something that I would use because it's oil, it's for your hair. It is very nice, I've heard, but it's not my kind of thing. But so it'll go in a giveaway, which is fine. It's a hair oil. So it's a weightless hair oil, it says. And it's a nice bottle. You know, you push this and then you get out just what you need, which is nice. Okay, smudge is back. Now, y'all, I've been saying every day that the candy calendar has been getting in my way and aggravating me. The candies are fabulous. I popped them all out of there. They're in a bowl on my coffee table. And every now and again I have one. They're very rich. So it's a wonderful calendar. If you like chocolates, if you still have one at your Aldi's, because I found it before December, but they may have one left. They were $8.99. If you think about it, there's 25, or I think there were 24. There's 24 days, and it's 24 pieces of candy for $8.99. So that's like a nice chocolate box to make a nice gift for somebody. They might not mind not having it from December 1st. It's a nice thing. Or you might just want to pop them out and put them in a candy dish on your coffee table too, and then you'll have something when your guests come by. So that is my Macy's today. And then we have the cat calendar. This was called Merry and Bright Collection. And let's see, we need day 11. Day 11. Here, it's way up here at the top in the attic. And Blue is right over here. He's come over. I don't know if he'll... Blue, you want to come over? All right. Okay. Oh, this is a fun one. Oh, yeah, they both like this kind of thing. This is very pretty. Let me put that down there. This is red and green, and it's that crinkly paper. So it's like Mylar paper. Is that what you call it? Very stiff Mylar paper, because you can see... And so this is the kind of thing that, like, especially Blue, he'll pick that up and walk around with it. And he might fight over it. You like that? Blue, come on, we'll see. That is our Advent calendars for today, y'all. And I hope that you're having a good weekend. Some nice ASMR going on there. Blue, you want to see? He's over there looking. He's just camera shy, y'all know. Did you like that? Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings and have a great weekend. You want to see, love? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Let everybody see. Okay. I guess we'll go with y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.